Hello. This video clip is recorded to acknowledge the World Antibiotic Awareness Week. I'm very privileged to be on the APUA Board, the Alliance for the Prudent Use of Antibiotics, and I thought I'd just highlight the global concerns about antibiotic resistance, particularly in the context of the current COVID pandemic. We can put this all in perspective by considering mankind's relationship with microbes and nature is as old as his existence, and it's always been an uneasy relationship. With the development of agricultural settlements and trade, opportunities for the emergence and spread of new infections multiplied significantly. Epidemics and pandemics became a great scourge of everyday life, routinely appearing out of nowhere, and sometimes wiping out whole settlements, villages, and even towns. Situations worsened again with the development of cities, where poor hygiene and overcrowding became the norm. Battles, wars, whole countries, even continents were won or lost by epidemics of infection which killed far more people than all armed conflict. Only with the development of 19th century city engineering providing clean drinking water and good sanitation did things begin to improve. The early 20th century brought further huge advances with improved nutrition and the first vaccines, and then of course the miracle of the antibiotic era, such that some experts declared at that time the end of infectious diseases. But at the end of the last century, it soon became apparent that all was not well. Epidemics, pandemics, plagues have reappeared, and superbugs, antimicrobial resistant superbugs, have emerged. And the causes are again man-made. Factory farming, with its overuse of antibiotics, the overuse of antibiotics in human medicine, overcrowding, pollution, global warming, rapid international travel, environmental incursions into deforestation and mining, etc., are all conspiring to cause the emergence of new infections with the capacity for rapid spread around the world. While there have been plenty of warnings, mankind has so far ignored them all. But there's still time to take heed with the latest pandemic of COVID, allowing us another chance to change our behavior and build sustainable and robust global prevention, surveillance and control systems. These will reduce the frequency of such global threats, allow better control when the next pandemic inevitably occurs, and lead, we hope, to a happier coexistence with nature. Thank you very much for your consideration. All the best.